Here we come to the elevators at the Fort Worth Convention Center parking garage in downtown Fort Worth, Texas. These are not just any type of ThyssenKrupp elevators installed in 2009, but listen to that chime. Oh, it's got a wind sounding chime of some sort. Before we look out the window, listen to this. It's a clock sounding floor passing chime. I gotta save that for Christmas. Or should I say the old doorbell chime? Anyways, we're gonna send this up to 5 and we'll get the other elevator car. I realized I forgot to get a cab view. Wow, I love the view of the shaft. Alright, let's get the other elevator car. This is a dramatic find, I will say, considering these are just basic ThyssenKrupp elevators. These were installed in 2009. Let's see which one did it get called first. I wish that fan is not so loud so we can hear it better. Or we're gonna look out the window this time. You see the train tracks into the Fort Worth station. I realized that there are 2 directional lanterns. An old cartoon doorbell chime is what I describe it as. I want to send this up. Okay. I want to get my cavity first. I can't even have a word to describe. This is interesting. I want to see if the middle elevator car even works. I want to get the middle one. Okay. If that right elevator car comes, just send it up. Yeah, go ahead and send that elevator up. Anyways, you see right there, this is Hanny, also known as Skyvader Productions. Hello. In case you guys are wondering. I like that interesting PA system. I'm not sure if the middle elevator car even works or not. I really hope it does. But these are what I call old movie doorbell chimes. Not something I would ever find on a ThyssenKrupp elevator. Yeah, I don't think this elevator works. But I think, would it be okay if I guess I'll go for one more ride? Or, and you want to wait or you want to come with me? Okay, well, anyway, so I think I'm gonna go for another ride on this because not something I typically would find. At least it's a bit louder. I think these are ThyssenKrupp Synergy. I'm not sure. I wish I would get on that shaft. Cameras. There's down that elevator shaft right there. I might go for one ride viewing the numbers. Hopefully none of those music are copyrighted, just only like commercial. But this is definitely an interesting effect, I will say that. I'll be back. Just thought I'd take one more ride. Alright, let's see if we can get a close listen to it. All right, back down one end there. I'm definitely gonna save that for Christmas. I really wish the fan is not overpowering so I can hear it better. I've never actually been on a typical elevator like this, because usually this thing, considering this was installed in 2009, it would have like the usual Dover buzzer. I get one last cab view this time. Forgot to get a cab view earlier ago, because I was just so fascinated by that doorbell sounding chime. But anyways, there it goes, and that's it.